Hello everybody, welcome to this training course of Fertilizer Academy, a training course corrosion under insulation, atmospheric corrosion. Actually, this training course is an extensive 2 days masterclass corrosion under insulation. Of course, also other forms of atmospheric corrosion will be at My name is Giel Notten, and I spent 38 years working with DSM and Stamigaben as a corrosion and materials engineer. In advance we can make already a statement, and corrosion under insulation was, and in some chemical industries still is, an underestimated failure mode. There is still in a lot of instances lacking awareness. Don't want to hear about corrosion under insulation, don't want to see corrosion under insulation, and don't want to speak about corrosion under insulation. It was a wrong choice of adequate insulation and coating system. Penetration of moisture is possible due to defect. It shows a relationship between the corrosion rate and the thickness of the moisture film, a critical location where this serious corrosion did occur. The rupture caused an explosion, followed by a big fire. Within a minute, about 40 tons of cyclohexane leaked from the pipe. What have been the consequences of this? And chloride containing rainwater. And what were the observations? Because the inspector of our temperature ranges provoking corrosion under insulation after 40 years exposed to weather conditions. The dramatic consequence of the collapse of this LPG sphere was that one contractor employee was killed and another seriously injured. Despite the advances in materials, in inspection and maintenance practices, the insidious problem of corrosion under insulation costs the industry millions of dollars a year. The total costs of replacing did rise up to $3 million. However, a cut in inspection maintenance costs regarding corrosion under insulation should never be to the detriment of safety, health and environment aspects. The economical losses can rise up to high values. Some 5 to 10% of the maintenance budget in petrochemical and chemical process plants is used for corrosion under insulation, inspections, repairs and prevention.